Auzu billahi mineşşeytanirracim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum tahto bacho. Az paro is third EDS. Asho chapter orudum years incomplete cho share of feelings. Baya has many other books too. The pages of these books are thick and have a row of raised point dots. He read by running his fingers on the raised dots. To have fun with Baya, I sometimes change the place of his stick. He does get upset but never gets angry. After all, I am favorite sister Sima. I am his favorite sister Sima. I had hardly reached the door that Baya spoke up. Sima, you seem to be very happy today. Baya recognized not only me but all the other family members from the sound we make as we move. Whatever I am happy, whether I am happy or sad. Baya, finally I am in the football team. I share my news with him. He petted me and said loudly, from today you are my football coach. Bhaiya has many books. Bhaiya has many other books. Bhaiya says variya beti kitab. The pages of these books are thin. Amic pages zail. They have row of raised dots. Aman petas dots lagi. He read by running. He read the running the fingers supara us magar panni unjos tempit pakna on the rays of dots amo dot of it. To have fun with Bhaiya, I was imitate kara makhor panis Bhaiya say I sign time changes the place of stick. Kun sat was imsons ye lower ya je thawa was bos zi dala. He does not get upset, so naraz gasan but never angry. So gasan upset ye magar ya na khosh usna gasan ki after all I am his favorite sister. Both system is barhal years it ben. I had hardly reached the door that Bhaiya spoke up. Bail, lot. I hardly reached the door. Bail, darwaza the Bhaiya spoke up. Boyus vanan. Sima, you seem to be very happy. Sima, tshik azbasa, I khosh. Bhaiya recognized Bhaiya us taslim kara not only me, but all of family members. Sane family member us nafsiyat fikri members of the from him the sound is cut kara we make as we move whether I am happy or sad ya gamgin osus ya is khosh. Bhaiya, finally I am in the football team. Bhaiya busse football team was gindan. I share my news with him. Busse chase panan news kara share. The petted me and said loudly, so tap on me, dab osum dema patosum vanan. From today you are my football coach. That's a guy me as is kept my football team coach. That's all.